Hello, good morning, sir. Today we have to discuss one important topic, that is fuse wire. So, the fuse wire, it is observed in every distribution network. It comes very first. You may observe main fuse board is available at the side of energy meter or meter board. Then what is its function? What are its material? Elementary discussion only required for electrical distribution network. You see there, fuse is an electrical safety device that operates the protection for electrical circuit or electrical appliances. So it is always connected between supply and electrical appliances. For example, you see there single phase AC phase supply is there. We are supplying this supply to motor. Then we have to supply the electricity through the fuse wire. The fuse wire is a conducting wire. It is connected in series part of the electric circuit. It carries rated current. If motor is rated of 10 ampere, then 10 ampere fuse should be used in base board. It is connected at bases terminals, base terminals, fuse wire is fixed. It may be copper wire, it may be aluminum wire, it may be cadmium, or it may be alloy. So fuse is a protective device. It also referred as current interrupting device. So it carries the current, rated current of the electrical appliance. I told already, if motor is of 10 ampere rating, then suitable size of the fuse wire is selected for 10 ampere protection. It is also very important concept. So fuse carries normal working current without heating and melting. When excess current flows, it may be due to short circuit, it may be due to overloading. Excess current flows through the fuse wire, then fuse starts heating towards the melting point. Finally, it blows out. Hence, it disconnects the electrical appliance, that is motor, from the supply for further dangerous situation. Hence, it disconnects the electrical applications during short circuit or overload conditions. Normally, abnormal current flows. Normal current means electrical designed apparatus as per specification. When it is supplied by the rated voltage, it should draw rated current only. If a mixture is rated of 230 volts, then it may draw 1 ampere or 2 ampere. Hence, this is called your normal current. Due to some short circuit or overload condition, motor may draw 5 ampere or 6 ampere. This is called abnormal current. This situation occurs due to overloading of electrical equipments or due to short circuit faults. Hence, at that time, if you are allowing this high magnitude of current through the electrical applications, hence it may burn effectively. We have to protect our electrical equipment from such a situation. Hence, fuse carries normal working current. When it comes abnormal current, unwanted current, the fuse going to burn. Hence, it disconnects the electrical equipment from the supply. A fuse is a metal wire. Fuse is a wire round conductor, or it may be strip. Circular conductor carries up to 10 ampere. Low current applications, circular conductor wire is used. If the rating of fuse increases, then we can use strips. So it is a conducting material. Fuse is a conducting material. Usually most of the applications copper is used. Alternate to copper, aluminum is also used, or some alloys, cadmium, one of the metal used for construction. So its diameter depends upon current rating. Diameter of the fuse wire, it depends upon rating of the fuse wire, and suitable length should be used to protect the electrical equipments. These fuses are always used in electrical AC distribution networks. Sir, advantages: it is one of simple protective device. Its construction is simple and it is economical. Disadvantages: after the each case, to start the operation of electrical equipment or machine, we have to replace fuse wire at every instant of its use. This is one of the main drawback.